FIB-SEM does a couple things that's really important. Once you put a FIB and a SEM together, you have a tool that lets you understand and look at your sample from a scanning electron microscope standpoint. And you can also have a FIB, a focused ion beam, that allows you to interact with the sample at the same time. So if you're a researcher and you want to understand, say, a surface, you can use those tools to understand surface. Again, you're extracting lots of information about really the nanoscale at that surface. But then when you have a focused ion beam, you can actually use that to cut into the surface so that you can see what's happening on the inside. If you're in the business of making coatings, catalysts, nanomaterials, all the way to quantum computing, batteries, all these things that are everywhere, which is what material science is all about, in order to be good in those businesses, you must understand what's happening at the molecular and the nanoscale. One of the things that we constantly do is we look at our roadmaps and we try to understand what researchers we're going to need years in the future. We need to constantly reinvent ourselves to make sure that we stay relevant and we're solving today's and tomorrow's problems, not yesterday's problems. If you do it right, what you look at in the instruments that we provide to our customers helps them understand and make better products. What do they all need to be successful? Is they need core functionality in FIB-SEM, or they can't get done what they're trying to do. That's what we're trying to be really good at.
With each version of the microscope, we are trying to make them better. And so we are trying to improve the auto functions as we go with each version so that you can just do a single click and you can get a crisp image of your sample. We can provide the full service to the customer. Here in Brno, there's more than 2,000 people doing that. So if they have any issues or want to ask for help, that they can contact us and get the help that they need.
There's a lot of people out there really trying to do lots of different things. All of them need to understand, is my image really good? Am I looking at good elemental information? Am I looking at crystallographic information? We know those things are good, and we try to stay focused on those core basic things.